Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're in need of a lightweight car hauler with some exceptional quality, this is a great unit. It also has a premium side escape door with removable interior fender, so this is a perfect setup for you guys if you're trying to haul lower profile vehicles. It's also great if you have Class A's and motorhomes and you need a trailer to tow behind because it is super lightweight. This is in a beautiful black smooth skin exterior. Again, it's an 8.5/20 Cargo Pro Stealth 4-year factory warranty. Does have the diamond plate rock guard, polished corners, and a nice big upper rounded polished cap. Extended triple tube tongue on a heavy duty 6-inch frame. This is going to give it a better turning radius by having a longer tongue with this unit. This one's stock number 15347. Side door does have the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there. They also use a really nice upgraded locking hasp system, and sorry it just rained so you guys can see when you get up close it's pretty dirty looking. You also have the aluminum door holdbacks. Two 3,500-pound torsion spread axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, radial tires, and this in the trailer towing world is pretty much as good as it gets as far as highway miles and towing. The torsion axle is going to give you an independent suspension under the trailer, and then when we take them and spread them apart like this, it cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So again, awesome trailers to tow, especially behind motorhomes. You do have side vents with this unit, a rear ramp door with a spring assist close, nice big transition flap at the end of that ramp, plus a dovetail. So again, it gives you guys a nice easy angle when you're trying to pull low profile vehicles in and out of here and not scrape the bottom of your vehicle. Performance Nudo floor with Drymax, and Cargo Pro Stealth takes it one step further. They double coat their floors. So I'm going to flip this over so you guys can see the whole entire underneath side of your trailer is going to have this additional coating. So this floor is going to last a very, very long time. Now this unit is in a 7-foot interior height that's going to give us about 6'9" at the rear ramp door. Finished walls and ceiling, so you've got the beautiful vinyl wall and ceiling liner in here, and 10 D-rings. So tons of tie down points, especially if you want to tie down different things. We've also upgraded the overhead lighting, so you've got the beautiful recessed puck lights all along the ceiling. And here's the true goods of this trailer. You've got a premium side escape door with removable interior fender. So this whole entire side door folds up like an awning and this fender pulls off. Benefits of that is no longer do you have to swing your car door out over that fender height. You're only going to have to clear the tire and wheel size, which is a whole lot less. So again, great for those lower profile vehicles. And it's also nice if you guys have a little bit bigger vehicles as well, because obviously, normally you're going to have to fit between fenders when you're pulling in and out of here, but when you can remove that fender, you can drive right over those tires and wheels. And so if you've got something that's a little bit wider than your traditional vehicle setup, these are great trailers for that as well. Now, we've got a couple of different videos on our YouTube channel so you guys can watch if you want to see us pulling cars in and out of these stealth trailers with the premium side escape door, so you guys can get a full function of how that works. Now we do have a toggle switch in here, as well as the back side of that RV lock, which gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. There's one of those side vents that we talked about. There's another one here in the back, and that's just a really nice feature. It's going to give the trailer a natural cross ventilation. So when you do have cars in here, UTVs in here, you don't have to worry about the fuel. So here it is. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. We're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And be sure to follow us on YouTube and like and subscribe.